Driving isn't what it used to be, and today we're looking at some amazing car inventions that are pushing things to the next level. Let's get into it. U-Haul Tow Dolly. The U-Haul Tow Dolly is a compact way to tow a car by lifting its front wheels while the rear wheels roll along. It's lighter and easier than a full trailer, designed mainly for front-wheel drive vehicles, and built for straightforward, no-frills vehicle transport. Undercarriage Cleaner with Ramp. The Maxvan Undercarriage Cleaner with Ramp is a low-profile stainless steel system that delivers powerful underbody cleaning using only high-pressure water. Easy to install, mobile or fixed, and expandable, it helps protect vehicles and reduce maintenance costs. Rhino Hitch. The Rhino Hitch features a 10-inch drop, 14,000-pound towing capacity, and 2,000-pound tongue weight, with 2-inch and 2 5/16-inch balls included. Its unique design allows quick height adjustment without unhitching, making it a strong, simple, and all-in-one towing solution. Slime Smart Spair Plus. The Slime Smart Spair Plus is a smarter alternative to a spare tire, fixing flats in just 2 simple steps. With no valve core removal, built-in pressure gauge, and combined inflator and sealant, it gets you back on the road in minutes. Evolution Parking System. The Evolution Parking System is a smart mechanical solution that turns limited space into efficient parking. Using lift and platform technology, it stacks vehicles vertically for independent access, boosting capacity without major construction. Designed for residential and commercial use, it delivers a clean, practical way to park more in less space. Bubba Rope Grabber. The Bubba Rope Grabber is a small but smart solution that locks your synthetic winch line securely to the drum. Easy to install, universal in fit, and built for reliability, it keeps your line steady, protected, and recovery ready wherever the trail takes you. The Trax Table. The camper Trax Table combines recovery board storage with a sturdy side table in one smart design. Easy to mount, adjustable for uneven ground, and clear of camper access, it delivers instant workspace wherever you park. Baseus A3 Vacuum Cleaner. The Baseus A3 Vacuum Cleaner delivers strong 12,000 pascal suction in a lightweight cordless design. Quiet, compact, and 4-in-1, it works as a vacuum, inflator, air pump, and blower, making it a versatile tool for cars, travel, and everyday use. UnderCover SwingCase. The UnderCover SwingCase turns wasted wheel well space into secure, easy-access storage. It swings out when you need it, locks back when you don't, and stays compatible with most tonneau covers for a clean, practical truck bed setup. The Atera FORZA. The Atera FORZA is a sleek, compact bike carrier built for everything from city bikes to e-bikes. Easy to mount, expandable to 3 bikes, and foldable for rear access. It delivers secure, smart transport with a clean, modern edge. Phatrip Car Doorstep. The Phatrip Car Doorstep is a compact, foldable step that hooks onto your door latch for quick roof access. With an adjustable support leg, a wide footboard rated up to 400 pounds, and rubber protection for your vehicle, it makes loading rooftop gear stable, safe, and effortless. SZ Autocraft. The SZ Autocraft Front Suspension Stabilizer Upgrade Kit is designed to sharpen handling and improve front-end stability. By reinforcing suspension balance, it helps reduce body roll and delivers more confident steering, making everyday driving and cornering feel tighter and more controlled. Connect Plus. This is a smart, vehicle-friendly integration that preserves factory reversing sensors while seamlessly incorporating them into the rear step. It maintains safety, compatibility, and a clean, professional finish without compromising functionality. Hurricane Series. The Hurricane Series delivers precise underbody cleaning with a 21-inch reach and 8.7-inch clearance. An adjustable from 0 degrees to 90 degrees head ensures control, while performance reaches up to 4,000 pounds per square inch and 250 degrees Fahrenheit with an optional low-pressure package. Rooftop Tent. Ferretti rooftop tents focus on durable, manual, hard-shell designs for SUVs and 4x4s, not electric remote operation. Automated, one-button hard-shell tents exist in the market, but they are generally offered by other brands rather than Ferretti. Maxvan. Maxvan transforms your van on demand, adding up to 88% more cargo volume and 63% more length when you need it most. Built for work or adventure, it gives you the freedom to carry more, travel farther, and camp with confidence. Bike carrier. This rear door bike carrier offers a strong stainless steel frame with reinforced rails for secure transport. Easy to install on double rear doors, it supports up to 3 bikes or 2 e-bikes and adjusts to multiple mounting positions for a clean, reliable fit. Shoppacart. Shoppacart is a smart, foldable personal shopping trolley designed to move groceries effortlessly from store to car to pantry. It fits into most car boots, eliminates the need for plastic bags and shared trolleys, and offers a cleaner, safer, and more sustainable way to shop. Twistep. Twistep is a smart, hitch-mounted step that swivels out in seconds to help dogs enter and exit pickup trucks safely. Storing neatly under the bumper when not in use, it reduces joint stress and injury risk for dogs of all ages, while eliminating the need for heavy lifting. Rplate. Rplate is a smart, digital take on the license plate, blending sleek design with security and convenience. Legal across North America to drive, it integrates with the DMV, resists tampering, and lets you personalize displays and modes with ease, redefining how vehicles communicate and protect. Thanks for watching. These incredible innovations show just how far car technology has come, and there's even more exciting progress ahead, so stay tuned.